Hey guys, it's Tony. I did want to update you guys on RKT. Just like that, we do break that $25 barrier. I was actually looking more for that for like 24 something. I forgot what the actual price range that I was looking for it to break. But you know, I started watching YouTube on some Marvel stuff, and then I come back and we're already up at $25.64, which is absolutely insane. Currently, I am getting close to being around $10,000 in profit. And this thing just keeps going up. I mean, it just keeps going. I think at this rate, there's a very, very, very big chance that RKT can potentially hit $30 by Friday, to be honest. I think that, you know, $30 by the end of this week is definitely plausible, and maybe even $40 by the end of next week. I do think there's a lot of volume coming into RKT right now, especially with all of the there's a lot of hype on Wall Street Bets, as well as, you know, a lot of other, you know, articles being written and just a lot of talk on RKT because you know, it is the most expensive shorted stock in the market. It's being shorted at an extremely expensive price, which basically means that there is a potential for Rocket to actually have some sort of a short squeeze. You know, that we'll go into that a little bit later, but yeah, definitely happy with RKT as of right now. I'm not selling anytime soon. I'll keep updating you guys as you know, as I see any progress on the price on RKT. I'll see you guys later.